Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with the Geeetech A10. Friends, I loaded it up today and I put in one of my favorite prints. It is a print-in-place print that when you're done, even though it's one piece, it will move. And it's a pretty good stress test of how the printer's working. So my friends, let's check it out. All right, so I shut the printer off just because it's pretty noisy and it makes for a bad video. And that gave it also a second to cool. This was printed using a Thingiverse file. Muzz64 is on Thingiverse, and he's got a bunch of these awesome print-in-place objects that are a ball in my classroom and a great test of the printer. So there we have the print removed, and this is my favorite part. It is printed all in one piece, but with just a little bit of flexing, you can get it so that it bends in every single direction. Totally cool and a real hit with the kids. If we look right here, it looks like there was a little glitch on the bed where that part didn't quite adhere. But even with that, it's not that hard to get it so that it bends and is totally flexible. This project was sliced with the Prusa slicer, and it has 0.3mm layers, and then we put it on an SD card for printing. The filament was Duramic 3D. It is a silver filament, or a gray. And not only am I happy that this is successful, it is really, really cool because I have not been able to print these on the Geeetech A10 with the stock settings since I got it. Big shout out to Vert and his sweet firmware, and Chris, who aimed me towards the Prusa slicer. Well, once again, I'll mention 3D Addicted because the tips I've been getting have been awesome. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.